Hi Roadside guys, shoot a quick video, show you how to jump start a 2014 Audi A4. Customer has a dead battery, so just called us out to jump it. We're gonna come over here under the hood, and right in front of the windshield you see the plus sign for the positive. You're gonna go ahead and just pull that up, and then under here you see your positive battery connection. You'll push this tab that's here and lift that cover up if you can. Maybe it pushes forward. Yeah, it pushes forward towards the front of the car. This little tab here. Push that tab forward and then it lifts up, and then there's your positive. So you'll connect your positive here with your jumper cable, and your negative is going to be over here on the strut tower, and connect that there. And I'm using my GB70 box. You can use jumper cables. Just make sure you hook up the dead car first and then the car that you're going to be jumping it from second. Okay sir, it's ready if you want to go ahead and start it. So the customer is going to jump in now and go ahead and try it and see if we can get this thing to start up. Alright, there you go. That is how to properly jump start your 2014 Audi A4. Hope this video was helpful. I'll try to put this back in here, get that nice and flat, and we're good to go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.